I was boiling water in the hot water kettle, in the electric one in the middle of the frame, and poured it into the instant noodle cup, a little on the right there. And then I noticed there were ants, 10 ants. They've been entering the hot water kettle, yeah, and got boiled. Yeah, they were probably a bit drowned already, most of them, but now they get boiled also. They don't annoy me. I don't want to put some poison to keep them out of the room. This is a hotel room, hotel cooking. Let's see what we can do. I now and then catch one and lift them out, throw them out in the corridor here to get. What I do now, I plug with a bit of plastic bag here so they can't get into the hot water bottle. That maybe keep them off there at least.